I had just being completely frank and experience in the past when I first started the company with a completely different agency. I won't mention what their name was, but it was very night and day experience, which is great, meaning great with you guys. And I think I filled out a quick form online, and then I was connected with Ilana, and she was great. She followed through with all the questions, very prompt, responsive. It was very seamless online. Got a quick phone call, I believe, and then we booked a time. Honestly, it was great. Just comparing my experience with the other agency, which I had in the back of my mind, was some of the biggest differences was just how efficient it was, how nice it was that you guys had all the ducks in the row. You sent me the CVs. I was able to take a look at that. But Ilana was just having that point person was really great to have someone kind of guiding me through the process, saying it was very organized. I love that it was just quick. It was just, what was it, 4 individuals, I believe I spoke with. And to be frank, only one of them didn't feel like they could have been a good fit, but the other 3 were totally capable, great individuals. And I felt like the person I picked was just better suited for what I needed and for the company and everything in general. We have a mix of everything. So I have, majority Spanish. They all speak English, but, sometimes they're a lot more comfortable speaking Spanish. So that's definitely a plus with the person that we found, which is great. Overall, it was a great experience. Very smooth. The interviews were all in one day. And then I had a follow-up interview to nail down the last 3 people that I was considering. And if I could, I would have hired all of them. Honestly, they were all great. Truthfully, as your company grows, you will need support. You can't be a leader without having people to lead. You can't manage a business having all the weight of the world on your shoulders. It's really essential to have a team and support person in this case to help me out. So yeah, it's unfortunate that sometimes we have bad experiences, but you kind of just have to give it a go, try something new, try a different agency, try you guys, take a risk. I think that's a big part of being an entrepreneur. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. You have to take risks and try things out. And thankfully, so far it's worked out. So yeah, that's great. You guys have done a great job so far. I'm very happy with the individual that I selected, and she just started last Friday. We did training Friday. She's wonderful. She's on it. She's supportive, and so far so good. Yeah.